Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off Find My iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and try to turn off Find My iPhone in your device, so I will show you that how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down, click on general, check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And now guys, you need to go back, disconnect your VPN if you have connected, and now guys, you need to go back on your home screen. And guys, after this you need to click on screen time. From here click on content and privacy restrictions, and you need to remove all the restrictions from here. And now guys, you have to open your app iCloud account, and after this you will see this type of interface. From here you need to click on Find My, and you have to click on it, and you can easily turn it off from here, as you will see. And guys, if not be able to turn it off, if it is grayed out or it needs password, then you need to go back, click on sign in and security, and click on change password. And here you need to put your iPhone passcode that you're using for unlock, and here you need to change your password. And guys, if it requires any password, then you need to put your new password that you have changed now. And guys, if you are Find My iPhone is grayed out and do not be able to turn off, then no need to worry, you have to click on Face ID and password, and here you need to open it and click on it, the option of stolen device protection. If it is on, then you need to make it off, and after doing it off, you can easily turn off your Find My iPhone. So guys, these are the possible ways to turn off your Find My iPhone in your any iOS device. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.